Welcome to Consult Kriba YouTube channel. Welcome to our guide on key export documents and why they matter. Whether you're new to international trade or a seasoned pro, understanding these documents is crucial for smooth and successful exporting. Today, we will break down each document, explaining its role and significance in the export process. First up is the commercial invoice. This document is the cornerstone of your export transaction. It includes comprehensive details such as the buyer and seller information, a detailed description of the goods, their value, and payment terms. Imagine it as the receipt in the world of international trade. It not only facilitates the transaction, but also plays a pivotal role in customs clearance, helping authorities determine the applicable duties and taxes. Next, we have the bill of lading. This multifunctional document serves as a contract of carriage between the shipper and the carrier, a receipt confirming the goods have been received for shipment, and a document of title signifying ownership of the goods. It's crucial for the consignee to claim the goods upon arrival at the destination. Then, there's the certificate of origin. This document certifies the country where the goods were manufactured, produced, or processed. It's essential for determining the tariff rates and ensuring compliance with trade agreements between countries. Many countries require this document to verify that goods qualify for import under preferential tariffs. Don't forget the export license. For certain goods, such as military equipment, dual-use items, or products subject to export controls, you might need an export license. This document ensures you're legally cleared to ship your goods internationally, safeguarding national security and foreign policy interests. Another vital document is the packing list. It provides detailed information about how goods are packed, including dimensions, weight, and packaging type. This document helps customs and transport companies to verify the contents of the shipment and ensure proper handling. It's especially useful if customs need to inspect the shipment. For many destinations, a certificate of inspection is required. This document verifies that the goods meet the specified quality and quantity standards. It's often issued by a third-party inspection company after they conduct a thorough check. This certificate helps build trust with buyers, assuring them of the product's quality and compliance with their requirements. Lastly, we have the insurance certificate. This document provides proof that your shipment is insured against potential risks like damage, loss, or theft during transit. It ensures that you are financially protected and can recover the value of the goods if something goes wrong during shipping. So, there you have it. These key export documents ensure your goods reach their destination smoothly and legally. Proper documentation can save you time, money, and hassle, paving the way for successful international trade. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on navigating the world of international trade.